Today, I'd like to introduce you to an agricultural dumped electric tricycle. The color can be customized. The carriage is 1.8 meters long and 1.2 meters wide. The load is 650 kilograms. Top speed is 52 kilometers per hour. 43 2-powder spring shock absorption. High definition LCD dashboard. Now what is shown is the car self-unloading mode. Lifting up, falling down. 1200 watt motor. Lifting pump. Climbing gear. Handbrake. Cup holder. Regulate the speed. Forward, backward. Parking. Light switch. Light adjustment. Left and right turn signals. Horn. Carriage lifting and falling switch.